today I'm going to show you a bunch of exercises to practice your four-way coordination. So we're going to be using our hands and our feet in different orders, and then you can take some of these exercises and practice them with a metronome at your own speed and the speed that you find the most comfortable. So I've got a bass drum, which you can hear on my foot, a little electric bass drum, and I've got a proper acoustic hi-hat here. Okay, and I'm going to be playing on a practice pad so we can hear me a bit easier. So, if you don't have any of those things, if you just want to practice this with your feet, that's absolutely fine, because the thing about drums is you can practice it anywhere. You can use your hands on the desk and your feet underneath the desk. So it's always something that you can keep going. So what we're going to do is we'll try some easier ones that you probably would have maybe had a go at before. So I'm just going to get my feet doing this walking pattern here. And then we're going to see if we can keep our right hand, just our right hand, or your left hand if you want to start first. It doesn't matter, you can flip all these exercises. And we're just keeping it with the feet. So we're doing 2 hands per foot. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we're making sure our right hand is good with our left foot and our right foot. And then once you've tried that one, you can swap for the other hand. There we go. And then we can just try putting them together just as normal single strokes. So if I get my left hand and just play it in the air rather than on the drum, it's just my right hand that's hitting with the feet each time. You've probably tried that one before, but have you tried it using your opposite hand? So I'm right-handed, so now I'm going to do the same thing, starting with my left hand. So I'm just going to put in a little double with my left. There it is. So, looks completely the same, sounds the same, but it's now my left hand going with each of those feet. So if you just wanted to start with your left hand with the feet, and then you can put your right hand back in later, that's absolutely fine. Okay, so there's some nice single strokes, both hands. Let's do some double strokes. I'm going to go back to being a right-handed person. So I'm going to go right, right, left, left with the feet. Again, this shouldn't be too hard. It's the same side of the body at the same time. So this is one I reckon you could just crank up the metronome to really high speed and get this going, yeah? You could almost challenge yourself and see how fast you can do that. Okay, right, let's go back to normal speed. Right, so let's swap it. Let's do left hand. I'm going to do a double here. There we go. So now I'm onto my left-handed side. So it's opposite sides of the body at the same time. Bit more tricky, bit more awkward. Again, once you've got this, you can see how speedy you can get this one. Okay, and then we should all know a paradiddle. So let's jump into that. Paradiddle, paradiddle. So right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Now this pattern does all the right hands, it's hands with the left feet and the left hands with the right foot, and etc. It does all of the patterns, so we don't need to reverse this one. The pattern has a reverse in it already. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Same side, opposite side, same side, okay? So again, if you're thinking this is super easy, just see how quick you can do this one. And then you can try some other patterns. You could try, so I'm doing some triplets here. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You could try this sticking, right, left, left, right, left, left. You can do opposite, some left, right, left, right, or the hand-to-hand one, starting with the opposite. So there's 4 exercises there to work out. Okay, and if you know some other different paradiddles or flams, you can just put those all in as well. Right, so I'm just going to do something slightly different for a bit. Instead of just having your feet doing this pattern, we're going to try and see if we can do a paradiddle with the feet. Okay, so paradiddle, paradiddle. So this is much more tricky. Already, this might be something you haven't done before. Okay, so you're going to have to spend your brain power on actually thinking about your feet now, not so much your hands. And then you can pick which pattern you want to do with your hands on top. So I'm just going to use my right hand. I'm just going to put it with each one. Right, left, left. Going to swap, right, left, left. So I'm almost ignoring my hand and just playing my foot part. Okay, so there's some easy ones you could do. You could actually do a paradiddle with it. Same hands and same feet. That's not really a coordination one though, because it's the same side of the body at the same time. Okay, so now I'm doing single strokes on the snare and paradiddles in the feet. So, not so easy now. Your hands and your feet are going to be all confused. And then there's loads of other ones you can try, but I'm not going to do too many today, so that's going to be it. I think that's enough for you guys to go away and have a practice of and see how quick you can get those things going, okay? So thanks for joining me in my video, and I'll see you again for another tutorial soon.